It's a 2017 Hyundai Accent. This sophisticated-looking Accent was built with safety, comfort, and convenience features that offer exceptional value. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, power windows, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, air conditioning, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book notes if you're seeking economical transportation that is inexpensive but still playful, the Accent sedan and hatchback hold strong appeal. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.